Can't delete apps on your iPhone 8 Plus? No worries guys. Here's a quick and easy guide to solve this issue. Without wasting any more time, let's move on to the action. To do that, open Settings, scroll down, tap Screen Time, scroll down again, tap iTunes and App Store Purchases. If you set the Screen Time passcode before, then it will ask you to enter the Screen Time passcode. After that, tap Deleting Apps. If you previously selected Don't Allow, then you won't be able to delete an app. You have to select Allow to delete apps. Now go back to home screen, press on an app, which app you want to delete. Like I want to delete Clash of Clans. Press on Clash of Clans, then tap Remove App. After that, you will see the Delete App option, which was missing before. Now tap Delete App. Then a pop-up will show up in front of you for the Delete app. Tap Delete, and that's it. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, then please ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.